Trying to film in low light? Check out the Godox ML60. I've never opened this yet. You guys are gonna get the first look. Oh, okay, there's nothing to look at. So this is the Godox ML60 light. Anyways, let's see what else is in here. Let's pull it out of here. Of course, we got power cord. Pretty long power cord. I would say upwards of 10 feet. Pretty long enough. Some sort of strap. I'm sure we'll figure out what to do with that. Some more Velcro stuff. Not even sure what it's for. Power adapter. Or an adapter for something. Not even sure. We got the handle here. We got the battery pack. So actually it's even longer than just this. We have this as well. So pretty long. Pretty good. Shouldn't need an extension cord. So we have this battery pack that it comes with, which is pretty cool. It allows it to be portable. You can take this light anywhere. We didn't get the batteries. We're going to be using this at home, so that's a pretty cool option. I guess it connects to the handle like this. Oh, okay. That's what these cables are for. They have a kind of a locking mechanism, and it provides battery power to the handle. Set that over there. Next up is this reflective cone. So this is the Godox ML60 light. Check it out. Pretty cool. It's got these knobs on the back and a screen, LCD screen. Warning, remove before use. You remove it by pulling this tab on the top, which lowers the pin inside of there. You turn it and you pull it out. So let's set this light up. We also got this tripod for the light. Okay, let's see how we're gonna attach this. I'm gonna take this battery pack off. There's a little tab on the top here. Pull it forward, slide it out. I'm not even sure how this goes on. Oh, it goes. So we're gonna put the pin on the top. By the way, I'm figuring this out as I go along. I haven't never opened this. I've never used one of these. Just trying to show you guys how easy it is. I'm turning it into nothing. And then we get the light on there. How are we going to get the light on there? In the bottom of the light, there is a mounting screw. And on the sides of this, there's somewhere for you to turn. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. This is the stand. Let's get this on it. Fit it in the grooves. And spin till it locks. Let's check this bad boy out. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in next. Okay, so the light is plugged in. Let's turn it on. Okay, I set it up. It's very bright, really bright. It definitely will be a lot better with the softbox. We're gonna install the softbox. Umbrella. Some sort of white screen. Not sure what this is. Oh, some sort of oh, cool. Some sort of reflectors. We got some more stuff in here. Some other type of screen. We got some more stuff here. And we got another one of those shiny things, different types of reflectors. So sure how this goes together. I think I have to press it, but it's kind of hard. Okay, so once you push it down and line it up, it'll click into place. It came with this Velcro cover, and this just Velcros to the inside of here. Now we are ready to install it. So actually, I'm gonna have to remove this. And we're gonna get the softbox on there. Maybe I should have installed it first before putting that on. It's gonna make it a little more difficult now. Okay, locked into place. There you have it. So I'm gonna go set this up right now and let's see if we can see a difference with the ring light and with this new ML60. Light is fully set up, the Godox ML60. It's nice, it's bright. Considering it's only at 25%, it's pretty good. Just my regular light in my basement here. And let's set up the Godox ML60. Let's see if we could see a big difference. So this is with the light on. It's at 50%. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up. Let's go to 100. That's 70, 80, 90, and 100. Anyways, I just wanted to get some before and after shots, just so you guys could see how the light works in your home or something. So this is 0%. Let's crank it up. So that's the light at 100%. Godox ML60. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.